going to work on goal 5 and 7, and we will also be a part
Civilization
of
has been advancing at a very rapid rate. From the invention of the wheel to rocket technology that brought the first man on the moon, human progress is indeed marvelous. Unfortunately, despite all our advancements in technology, philosophy, and governance, we are still plagued with global issues such as poverty and inequality, environmental degradation, human violence, and abuse. That is why in September 2015, more than 150 world leaders met at the United Nations headquarters in New York to discuss and adopt a sustainable development agenda that will pave the way to a sustainable future. On January 1st, 2016, the 17 UN Sustainable Development Goals, or UN SDG, have been launched. These goals will affect all of the countries in the world with the aim to end all forms of poverty, fight inequalities, and tackle climate change while ensuring that no one is left behind. The 17 UN SDGs are: Goal 1, no poverty. Goal 2, zero hunger. Goal 3, good health and well-being for people. Goal 4, quality education. Goal 5, gender equality. Goal 6, clean water and sanitation. Goal 7, affordable and clean energy. Goal 8, decent work and economic growth. Goal 9, industry, innovation, and infrastructure. Goal 10, reducing inequalities. Goal 11, sustainable cities and communities. Goal 12, responsible consumption and production. Goal 13, climate action. Goal 14, life below water. Goal 15, life on land. Goal 16, peace, justice, and strong institutions. Goal 17, partnerships for the goals. These goals will guide all governments, NGOs, and communities over the next 15 years, hoping to create a sustainable world for all by the year 2030. It is our responsibility to build a bright and sustainable future for our children and our planet. Let us act now. Share this video and educate your friends on the UN SDGs.